Next, I also would like to talk about my ETF and stock portfolio. Again, I don't have much money in there, and also I will need to cash out some of that. But as you can see, very stable, very slow, positive performance there. This is a thematic approach of certain themes I'm looking at for long-term investments, and in the future I would like to revisit some of those investment themes and try to invest in stages as well. But these are long-term projects. It's not like our forex trading, which is very short-term. These investment approaches, they go over years, sometimes decades. In my generation, many people do not have proper pensions anymore, so you are kind of forced to also do some long-term investing, to mirror some of the indices, to try to get some exposure to some of the themes such as blockchain, AI, these kind of things. Of course, overall, you have to approach the long-term investing completely different than the short-term trading. There you diversify, you invest in stages. Of course, sometimes in life you also need to cash out some, it is what it is. But then in the long term you have to try to get back to a point where you can at least invest something in stages in order to have some long-term exposure, to earn some dividends for the long term and all that. Of course, no question, there can be market crashes. The indices can go down heavy. We've seen it before in history. They can also go down over 2-3 years. It's all possible. Remember, the stock markets are very high overall, of course. So you can't think in terms of years, okay? These approaches are really long term. Even if your portfolio goes down for a while, this can be an opportunity to, buy more. But you have to do in stages, okay? Timing, patience is key here. You're not trying to make certain returns within certain short time periods. This is for the short-term trading, where you're actively trading forex markets with a very precise strategy, right? These are different things. Remember that. I've explained it before. I've made a very elaborate video on these things. You can still find it in the playlist. Watch it, and there you can get a lot of compressed knowledge about the long-term investing approaches, how this can be done. And yeah, I mean, it's a different animal, it's a different game, it's a different approach.